If you've ever felt like the default font size in Confluence isn't quite working for your content, maybe headings aren't standing out enough, or you just want to make part of your page more readable, today's tutorial has you covered. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to change the font size for any text on your Confluence page, using both the editor toolbar and handy keyboard shortcuts. By the end of this video, you'll be setting headings and resizing text like a pro, making your Confluence pages clearer, more attractive, and a whole lot easier to navigate. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is select or highlight the text you want to resize. This might seem simple, but taking a moment here is important. You want to be sure you're grabbing only the exact words or section you want to change, not accidentally including extra lines. For example, maybe you have a section title that should be a heading 2, or you want to emphasize an important note by making it into a quote. Just click and drag over the text, or if you're working with a longer chunk, hold down Shift and use the arrow keys to tweak your selection. Don't rush this step, it's the foundation for what comes next. Once you've highlighted your chosen text, look up at the editor toolbar that runs along the top of your Confluence page. There you'll spot an icon that looks like a capital T, that's the text style menu. Give it a click. This menu is your gateway to all the text styling options Confluence offers right out of the box. If you ever find that icon's location tricky to spot, a quick hint. It's usually nestled near the alignment and bullet point icons, so if you see those, you're close. Clicking on the T icon will reveal a list of predefined text styles. Now, this is where you get to choose exactly how bold or subtle you want your resized text to appear. Heading 1 is the largest and is perfect for main titles. Imagine the headline of a blog post or the main topic of your documentation. Heading 2 is a bit smaller and works great for section headers, while heading 3 or paragraph can help structure your content further. If you're quoting someone or want a callout to stand out, there's a quote option too. Don't worry if you're not sure which size to pick at first, you can always preview the changes and adjust them on the fly. But let's say you're someone who loves working efficiently. Confluence has a set of shortcuts that let you resize text without ever touching your mouse. Just highlight your text, then press Ctrl, Alt, and the numbers 1, 2, or 3 at the same time. For example, Ctrl plus Alt plus 1 will instantly make your selection heading 1, while Ctrl plus Alt plus 2 or 3 drops it down a size. Think of these like speed dials for formatting, super handy for when you're editing lots of text or working on a big project and don't want to interrupt your flow. And if you try a shortcut and it doesn't look quite right, just select a different one or use the toolbar to revert it back. There's zero risk of messing anything up permanently, and that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks or keyboard taps, you can transform the clarity and style of your Confluence pages. Remember, making headings and key points stand out isn't just about looks. It helps your teammates or readers find the information they need quickly, which really boosts collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Confluence or run into any trouble with these steps, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Hit subscribe for more clear, simple workflows to make your workspace smarter. Thanks for watching and happy editing.